Welcome everybody to one of the most important topics of intelligence and mental ability, analogy. Analogy means relationship between two set of items. Analogy means drawing similar relationships. Let us understand the basic definition. It is a process in which we establish a relationship between two items on the basis of existing relationship between two given items. What does it mean? Let us understand through an example. Suppose two words are given: herd versus cattle. Relationship between herd and cattle is a group of cattle is called herd. Now similarly, if we write flock, so flock is actually a group of sheep. So here the relationship of flock will be with sheep. Understanding the topic analogy, here two quantities, two entities, two words will be given, and they will have a kind of relationship. We have to identify this relationship and we have to apply the similar relationship in other group of words and find the answer. Let us understand this through another example. Suppose there is a relationship given as needle is related to sew. So the function of needle is to sew. And similarly, if they ask us a similar relationship can be applied to knife, so what word should come if you want to apply the similar relationship with knife? Then our answer will be cut. Understanding this relationship, basically the function of needle is to sew, or the action of needle is to sew. We have identified the relationship in the first set of words, and now we have to apply similarly the action of knife. The action of knife is to cut. So analogy means a relationship will be given, we have to identify, we have to apply the same relationship in other set of words to identify the answer or to find out the answer. Let us now go through and understand this with some more examples, that what kind of questions can be asked in the examination. What should come in place of the question mark in the following question? In this question, the first word is Japan, which is the name of a country, and the second word is yen, which is the currency of Japan. So the relationship between the first and the second word is basically one of them is country and another one is its currency. We have identified our relation, it is a country and currency relationship. And now we have to apply the similar relationship between Iran is a country and after the country, what should come? Its currency should come. The currency of Iran is Riyal. So our answer in place of question mark, the word which should come is Riyal. So here the relationship was country and currency relationship. पहले हमें जो गिवन वर्ड है जापान और येन, इसको देखकर हमने ये समझा कि ये कंट्री और करेंसी की हमें रिलेशन दी हुई है, और ऐसी सेम रिलेशन अप्लाई करनी है. कंट्री हमें ईरान दी हुई है, हमें उसकी करेंसी रियाल लिखनी है जो हमारा आंसर होगा, और आंसर विल बी रियल हियर. What should come in place of the question mark in the following question? Power is related to what? Friends, power is a quantity, rather a physical quantity, and what is its unit? Means we express power in the unit of what? To understand this, length is a physical quantity and the unit of length is meter. Similarly, mass is a physical quantity and its unit is gram. So here I understand that the relationship is basically of a quantity and its unit. Power is a physical quantity, its unit is watt. Similarly guys, force is a physical quantity and unit of force is Newton. This is the unit of force. So answer will be Newton. What should come in place of the question mark in the following question? Spoon, feed. So guys, the use of spoon is used for feeding. So it is the function or action of spoon is to feed. Similarly, applying the same relationship on gun, the function of gun or action of gun will be to shoot. I hope now analogy is slightly getting clear. Now, after the word analogy, we will move to the number analogy. In the number analogy, two set of numbers will be given. We have to identify their relationship, apply the same relationship in the next set of numbers, and find out the missing number or the question mark value in this question. It says what should come in the place of question mark in the following question. First, they have given the relationship of 108 and 9. Now guys, from 108, how do we come to 9? Divide 108 by 12. If I divide 108 by 12, I know that 12 nines are 108. So when I divide the first number by 12, I get the second number. So the relationship here will be the first number is divided by 12 to get the second number, and let us apply the same relationship on 60 to find out the missing number. If I divide 60 by 12, I know that 60 divided by 12 is 5. So my answer will be 5, which is option number C. Here the relationship of 108 and 9 was divided by 12. So we have to apply the same relationship on the second number 60, and we have to find out the missing number, which is 60 divided by 12 is 5, option number C. Choose the set of numbers that is similar to the given set. The given set is 41, 53, 73. Now, the relationship between all these three numbers, that they are prime numbers. So here we have to find out that out of these four options, which option has a set of all three prime numbers. Option number A has 32. It is not a prime number, it is a composite number. Option number B, 19 is a prime number, 31 is a prime number, 43 is a prime number. So here in the option number B, all the three numbers are prime numbers. Option C, 31 is a prime number, but 51 is not a prime number, it is divisible by 3. 91 is also not a prime number, it is divisible by 13 and 7. 39 is divisible by 3, it's not a prime number. 57 divisible by 3, not a prime number. 61 is a prime number. Here, our answer will be option number B, because it has set of 3 prime numbers as given in the question set. Next, what should come in the place of question mark in the following question? Now here we see that there are alphabets given or letters given. To understand the alphabet based relationship, let us understand the English alphabetical series, and let us also understand their numbering. In the English alphabetical series, all the alphabets can be numbered from 1 onwards. So alphabet A will be 1, B will be 2, C will be 3. Let's name them accordingly to understand this question better. D will be 4, E is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, J will be 10, K is 11, L is 12, M is 13, N is 14, O is 15, P is 16, Q is 17, R is 18, S is 19, T is alphabet 20, U is 21, V is 22, W is 23, X is 24, Y is 25, Z is 26. Now, since we have numbered all the alphabets, let us see the relationship of U and G. U is alphabet number 21, and it is related with G. G is alphabet number 7. The relationship of U and G: U is alphabet number 21, G is alphabet number 7. 21 to 7, the relationship is divided by 3, because when you divide 21 by 3, you get 7, and the number 7 alphabet is G. Let us understand the relationship of L will be with which alphabet. We know that L is alphabet number 12, and here to find out the relation of L, we have to divide 12 by 3. 12 divided by 3 will give me 4, and fourth number alphabet is T. Summarizing this question, यहाँ पर इन्होंने हमें 2 अल्फ़ाबेट दिए थे U और G. U का नंबर होता है 21, G का नंबर होता है 7. 21 से 7 पर आना मीन्स डिवाइडेड बाय 3 किया गया है. इसका मतलब यहाँ पर जो रिलेशन है फर्स्ट लेटर और सेकंड लेटर का, वो डिवाइडेड बाय 3 करके आ रहा है. इसी तरह अगर हमें अल्फ़ाबेट L दिया है जिसका नंबर 12 होता है, तो उसका रिलेटेड अल्फ़ाबेट कौन सा होगा? अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पैटर्न, हमें L के नंबर 12 को हमें 3 से डिवाइड करने पर हमें 4 आता है, और फोर्थ नंबर का अल्फ़ाबेट हमारा D होता है. Now, as an exam aspirant, it is very important for you that you should learn the numbering of these alphabets. You should by heart them. It will help many of the problems in mental ability easy for you. Answer here will be option number D. What should come in place of the question mark in the following question? Here the first word is singer and the second word is regnis. If you closely observe the relationship in the first and the second word, is the second word is achieved or obtained by reversing the digits of the first word. So the word singer, if written in a reverse order, it will become R, then E, then G, then N, then I, then S. So basically the relationship here is to write the letters of the first word in the reverse order to get the second word. Similarly, they are asking what is the relationship of dancer like this. So dancer is DANCER. Let us write down the letters of dancer in a reverse order. It is R, then comes E, then comes C, then comes N, then comes A, and finally D. My answer will be R, E, C, N, A, D when I write the letters of the word dancer in a reverse order. Our answer will be option number B. Pattern was simple, and generally writing the word in a reverse alphabetical order is generally a very common type of question for our exam. Now let us move on to some question. Here they have given a pair of cushion and sofa, and they are asking what will be the pair with shelf. We know that cushion is a part of sofa. So the first word cushion is a part of the second word sofa. They are asking the relationship of shelf. Guys, shelf is a part of bookcase. Here, storage cannot be the answer, frame cannot be the answer. You know what is storage, what is frame. Here one word ledge can be confusing. Now ledge means it is the exterior part of a window or a balcony. Remember, every window has this kind of extra part which is outside the window. This extra part will be the ledge. Understand what is a ledge? Ledge is the extra space which is outside the window. That is called a ledge. Answer here will be option number B. Next question. Pill versus bore. Pill versus bore. Let us understand this relationship. Pill and bore are synonyms. Both of them mean, bore means a boring person, somebody who is very uninterested, or a person who generally talks uninteresting things is called a bore, and pill is a synonym for that. So the relationship between first and the second word is the synonymous relationship. And now core, we have to find the similar relationship with core. Core means something which is at the center. The synonymous word for core will be center. Here there are some more words given, like mug. Mug is a large cup. Bar. Bar is a long piece of wood or a metal. Placebo. Placebo is a kind of false medicine. False medicine means it is actually a medicine but generally given to calm down the patient or to soothe the patient. It is actually not a medicine, but it is just given to calm down, to mentally satisfy the patient. So you can say that it is not a medicine, it is a false medicine. Here our answer is option number A, center.